Welcome back, Crypto Farm community. Today we're going to be diving down into a hot DeFi NFT game on the Polygon blockchain. This is what is known as Neon Skies. Definitely love the overall story about this project. Not only that, you guys, but everything that they had to provide whenever it comes to the community members. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Now, as you guys can see at the top of the website, we do have the home. We got the Skypunk NFT. We got the land ownership. We have the game assets. We got the rain flow. We got the neon swap. We got the team. And then if you guys are looking to buy up the token called Buy Rain, it is right here, ladies and gentlemen. So whenever it launches, all you got to do is click and go for it. Now, if we dive down into this, it talks about that this is the year 2199. So after a world war terminus and the subsequent fall of the federal government's, humanity endured a rapid acceleration of climate change and collapsing of social order. With the aid of the Neon Skies Council, operatives in the Rain District deploy weather drones that drop explosive neon ice capsules in the sky to co-engineer the weather. You can see these explosives during the day, however, they are incredibly bright and vivid at night, resulting in what is known as the neon sky. So you guys can see exactly what we got here with this picture in the background. Now, they do have a white paper, so a light paper. Be sure you guys check that out. There's going to be probably a lot more information about this project than what I am going to be providing you today in this video. Now, if we go ahead and continue, be sure you guys also join their socials. So we are talking about Twitter. They currently have a total of 44 followers. They recently joined in January. Not only that, but joined the Discord for the latest, and I mean the latest updates and the latest announcements. And they also have a Medium that is filled with different articles, and they even have their own YouTube channel. So ladies and gentlemen, be sure you guys are a part of all of these different socials. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So Skypunk Legacy NFTs. Skypunks were the first humans who formed a civilization around Neon Skies technology, enabling the perpetuation of humanity on a planet that was decaying at a rapid rate. These elders are long gone. They are the persecutors of our new world, forever imprinted in our history in the NFT form. So you guys can see right here that we have many different names here, but if we go ahead and continue down a little bit further, you guys will see where it states Janaverseth USDC. Skypunk Legacy is a limited edition collection of 2,000 NFTs assigned to one of 5 factions. While these NFTs are not required to play Rain games, Skypunk Legacy NFT holders will have access to VIP futures and liquidative in-game bonuses. So definitely seems like that is a great reason to be a NFT holder. So like I stated, we have 5 different names here. So if you guys would like to try and pronounce those, you are more than welcome. Now, if we go ahead and dive down a little bit further, we have land ownership. So chemists work in one of the 26 laboratories with Rain Game. Players initiate rain weather events that deploy their weather drones into various layers of the Earth's atmosphere. Each lab corresponds to one of the 26 astrophic sublayers, also known as level 1 weather drones, are made in lab number 1. As a chemistry lab owner, you earn passive income by collecting laboratory usage fees every time a player initiates a rain weather event from your lab. Check out the light paper for more information about the chemistry labs. Now, required game assets. We have the weather drones, we have a chemist, we have neon ice, and then we have the pilot license. So whenever it comes to the weather drones, the drones are remote operated machines equipped with enough explosive capacity to inject neon ice seeding materials into the sky. Players will need to have at least one weather drone. Then for chemists, Chemists work in labs within Neon Skies. Their job is to carefully mix and place materials to make a powerful weather drone. Players will need at least one chemist. Then we got Neon Ice. So Neon Ice is a toxic substance that is chemically similar to dry ice. Capsule of Neon Ice are added to each weather drone to seed the clouds successfully. Neon Ice makes skies glow. And then last but not least, we have Pilot License. So as a player, you are the right pilot that remotely operates the weather drone in the sky. All pilots require a pilot license to fly, play the game. You cannot attempt a rain weather event without it. Now, rain game token flow. Neon Sky's rain game is decentralized play to earn NFT built on the Polygon network or blockchain. Polygon's native USDC is issued to mint, buy, and sell in NFT game events or elements unless otherwise noted. Players are rewarded in Rain, a non-DEX in-game only token, as part of the Neon Skies pegged Oracle model. So you guys can see for the model right here, it does state Neon Skies Treasury, which is in USDC. We got the market, we got the game assets. Okay, then we got the team, we got the swap, we got the rain, we got the unclaimed rain, we got the mini games, we got the Neon Ice, we got the chemistry labs. We have a lot of different things going on here whenever it comes to the treasury. Now, rewards, rain, coin swaps. Rain game uses rain, unlimited supply non-dex token as its reward token. Players can trade their rain reward tokens using the Neon swap. For each swap, a 5% swap offering goes directly to the reward pool to promote economic sustainability. For example, player swaps 100 rain, 5% would be 5 USDC is sent to the reward pool. Player receives 95 USDC. Swap limits. We got USDC swap to rain, so 5 max daily swaps, so $50,000, max $250,000. We got rain to USDC, 1 max daily swap of up to $50,000. Now for the roadmap, definitely pretty interesting here. You guys can see that we're currently in phase number 1. Then we got the phase number 2. Then we got the Neon Skies rain game season. So it shows right here that we've already completed the Neon Skies metaverse concept. We got the social media launch. We got the website launch. Now we got concept marketing. We got Skypunk Legacy NFT marketing. And for the pre-sale launch of phase 2, we got Skypunk Legacy NFT minting event. Then we got the collection reveal. Then we had the first round pilot license sale. We got chemistry lab ownership auction. We have rain games development, and then we have land sales, so chemistry lab ownerships. Then for the Neon Skies rain game season, it does state we got pilots license drop, we got intimate game assets, we got Neon swap, we got Neon Ice capsules, we got rain games marketplace, we got drone junking, we got autopilot mode, and then we have faction raid. So important things there. We can actually go ahead and continue, it looks like. So yeah, they do have other things here like Neon Skies, Sky Game Season, expanded Neon Skies story, breeding, Sky Games, and PvP. Now, whenever it comes to the team, we got the CTO, we got the game designer, we got the community manager, we got the finance minister, and then we have the lead developer. Not sure if they're doxed. I'm clicking on their names and can't get anything there. So anyways, ladies and gentlemen, seems like it's gonna be a really awesome game. I'm definitely interested in it, especially whenever it comes to the weather drones, chemist, Neon Ice, and the pilot license. So obviously it's going to take some time for the game to get up and running, but definitely like this. If you guys are interested, feel free to check it out. Not only that, but like I stated, you guys, the white paper has so much information here that it will provide you everything you need. So be sure you guys join the socials. So we got Twitter, we got Discord, we got the Medium, and then we have the YouTube channel. So thank you guys so much for being here. You guys have a wonderful day. We will see you later, and ciao.